In this video, we'll show you our most recent stay at our top 5 favorite hotel, the Waldorf Astoria, Los Cabos, Pedregal. We loved this hotel so much, we couldn't wait to come back. Check out our full resort tour from our previous stay, linked in the description, as well as at the end of the video. Let's make our way up to our Dos Mares Junior Suite, which measures 1,410 square feet. We are at the Waldorf Astoria, Los Cabos, Pedregal, and we are staying in room 21, which is a Dos Mares Junior Suite. Let's check it out. So as you walk up to your room, you have this patio with a nice table, and you also have this fire pit. And now let's go inside our room and check it out. Let's close the door. So as soon as you enter, you see they provide some fruits for you. And they also provide this Clase Azul tequila. So you can take this home or drink it here, whatever you want to do. But you can take the bottle home. And they also provide some cashews. And here's the little bar area, your coffee maker, your ice bucket, and there is a fridge in here. And they provide complimentary drinks for you. So there's some Coke, Diet Coke, water, some, I think that's sparkling mineral water, and some juice. In this drawer is the coffee and tea. Alright, now we're gonna move on to the bathroom area. So here is one of the sinks right here. And here is the closet. They provide an extra pillow, some robes, the Waldorf Astoria Pedregal bag that you take home. There's an ironing board, and they provide some slippers as well. And a safe. And let's see what they have here. They have some bug spray. And I think this is also some bug repellent. Now let's go to the main part of the bathroom. There's another sink here. And they provide this little amenity kit for the ladies. So we have toothbrush, shoe cleaner, shower cap, and a sewing kit. And over here, it's just some Q-tips. And they use their own brand for the body lotion. And they also provide a hair dryer right here. So there's the hair dryer. And one of the highlights of this room is this huge tub right here, which overlooks the Pacific Ocean outside. So look at that view right there while you're taking soaking in the bathtub. And here's a loofah. And you can order some extra stuff for your bathtub if you want other things. But they do provide this, I believe it's some sort of honey for your bath. And let's check out what's on this side. Just the toilet. And here is the large rainfall shower with this sitting area and their amenities, which is also Waldorf Astoria branded. Now let us check out the room, the bedroom. So we have a king-size bed. There's the phone right there, if you need to call for anything. Here is the sitting area. And another highlight of the room is this fire pit, or the fireplace. So it gets cold here in Cabo during the winter time, so you can turn that on, and the TV is right above it. And here's the control for the fireplace. And this other door right here is another entrance or exit to the outside, to the patio, if you don't want to use the main entrance. And here is the control for the fire pit outside. And on this side of the bed, there's a clock with a Bluetooth speaker and some binoculars for whale watching. But there's no whales right now since it's summertime. They're only here during the winter. And for the main highlight of the room, here is your own private plunge pool. And look at this view while you're in your little plunge pool. And the water here is nice and perfect for this hot weather. And you also have a view of the ocean, and that's El Farallon right there. We're gonna have dinner there tomorrow. And let's try to zoom in and see how it looks. Yeah, it's a spectacular venue for dinner. So it's a perfect place to go on a date. So we're going to be checking that out tomorrow again. But it's recommended to make reservations there since it gets booked up. And that is a quick tour of our Dos Mares Junior Suite here at Waldorf Astoria, Los Cabos, Pedregal. We had breakfast at the resort's signature restaurant, Don Manuel's. The food was the same as our previous stay, which was not a bad thing. I'm a big salsa fan, so I really enjoyed the variety they provided. We also liked the variety of fresh juices they had. We wouldn't mind having breakfast here every day. We spent a couple hours at the adult pool each day where we ordered drinks and appetizers. Can I please order one Pedregal Reyes signature cocktail? Beverly's watermelon mojito was refreshing and tasted great as well. We recommend getting the seafood molcajete, which was great in the sweltering heat. We spent most of our time enjoying our private plunge pool and the fantastic view we had. Every day around 4 p.m., the staff drops off chips, guacamole, and 2 bottles of Corona. The toughest part of our stay was trying to fit the lime into the Corona bottle. This view should definitely be part of a Corona commercial, don't you agree? We made our way back to Don Manuel's for dinner. The setting here is beautiful, especially at night. Okay, maybe the toughest part of our trip was figuring out what to eat for dinner. For starters, we ordered the braised short ribs empanadas. My seared bluefin tuna was perfectly cooked and seasoned well. Beverly stuck to her favorite, the smoked peebill lobster tail. We skipped dessert, but the chef gave us complimentary ones to finish our meal. When staying at the resort, dining at El Farallon is a must, and reservations are definitely recommended. The views here are dramatic and incredible as you watch the waves crashing right onto the cliffside restaurant. There's also live music here, but a little more mellow compared to Don Manuel's. We had a clear view of this crazy looking full moon. It almost looked like the sun.
Flavors and textures. Sea bass and totuaba are white fish-like flavors. The sea bass is a flaky and mild fish.
What kind of soup is this again?
Mango.
Mango, okay. Gracias.
My pleasure. And also we have all the shrimp croquettes with tamarind dressing.
What is this one again?
Mixed berry salads.
Okay.
Mezcal vinegar.
All right, thank you.
Shrimp, the cabbage, and asparagus. And the chef have sent in a special sauce for each protein. For your amberjack, you will find a mayonnaise with caper, garlic, and chili d'erba. Caballero, your surf and turf has 2 different sauce. The shrimp goes with a butter with pine nuts and citrus, and the steak goes with a red wine reduction sauce with a touch of cranberries.
Okay, thank you.
The one on your left has a tequila, Grand Marnier and chocolate sauce, and a mocha cream. And the one on your right have a passion fruit and caramel sauce, caramelized peanuts, and crispy chicharron.
Thank you. Our favorite part of our previous stay was watching the release of baby turtles. We were quite disappointed to see that the closest release date is next month. Oh well, I guess we'll have to come back again next year to see them. We cannot say enough great things about this resort. All the staff made us feel welcome the moment we stepped onto the property. Every single dish we ordered was excellent. And the views here are what dreams are made of. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Leave any questions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and check out our other videos.